Are you using the most award-winning ultrasonic cleaner? BrandMax Tri-Clean Ultrasonic Cleaners were voted a top 100 product from Dentistry Today magazine in 2023, 2024, and 2025. BrandMax also received the coveted Reader's Choice Top 50 Technology Product Award in 2023, 2024, and 2025. So what makes a BrandMax all-stainless steel ultrasonic cleaner superior? All BrandMax Tri-Clean Ultrasonic Cleaners offer the following features and benefits. All stainless steel construction, which makes it scratch-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. It will hold its beauty for a very long time, unlike plastic ultrasonics. Digital timer, which allows for easy operation. New touchpad. It's a touchpad, so tap, don't press. Superior power. We offer the most powerful transducers. Although power is only one aspect of cleaning, we feel it is important to help remove infectious bioburden and produce cleaner instruments. Free heat is included on all BrandMax Tri-Clean Ultrasonics. Yes, we are cleaning geeks at BrandMax. And did you know, utilizing a consistent and elevated temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit increases enzymatic activity and helps produce cleaner instruments? This is why we always include heat as a standard feature. Stainless steel basket is always included. We think selling an ultrasonic without a basket is like selling a car without seats. This is why the basket is always included for free. 2-year limited warranty as protection for your investment. Superior tech support. Technical support is available by trained BrandMax technicians to answer all your questions. Superior customer service. We offer best-in-class customer support for all your needs. As you can see, we offer a superior value proposition to help produce cleaner instruments, prolong instrument life, and improve infection prevention. BrandMax offers 6 tabletop models and also 4 recessed models for a total of 10 different sizes to assist your clinic in producing cleaner instruments. Did you know behind every clean instrument is also an amazing enzymatic cleaner? BrandMax Tri-Clean Triple Enzymatic Cleaners were awarded Top Innovative Product from Dentistry Today magazine for 2024, 2025, and 2026. In summary, combining our powerful ultrasonic cleaners, BrandMax Triple Enzymatic Cleaners, and heating to an elevated and consistent 110 degrees Fahrenheit is the ultimate cleaning solution. Want cleaner instruments? Contact us today for free enzymatic samples. Customer service at brandmax.us.